Right now, cinematic mythological trailers are going crazy viral across social media. These videos getting millions of views by turning ancient legends into epic movie-style experiences. And in this tutorial, you will see exactly how you can make them too, step by step, completely from scratch. Open the Mythos Cinematic Trailer Lab, link I left in the description. It opens right inside ChatGPT. Click on Start Chat. Now type your idea into the message bar. For this example, type something like The Fall of Icarus. Hit enter. The GPT will start building a 6-beat narrative arc for you. It starts with the origin and moves through the catalyst, the ascent, the conflict, the climax, and the aftermath. For each beat, the GPT gives you a specific description of the action and a ready-to-use image prompt inside a gray code block. Look at the first beat titled The Origin. You will see a copy button in the top right corner of that code block. Click that copy button. That copies the entire prompt for the first scene. You can paste these into a Notes app or just keep the tab open as we go. If you want the narration script, just look at the bottom of the GPT output. It generates a full dramatic voiceover script with pauses already marked out for you. Copy that text and save it for later. Now open Google Flow. Click on the Create New Image button. You will see a text field at the top of the interface. Paste your first prompt right there. Now look for the Model Selector drop-down menu. Click on it and choose Nano Banana 2. This is the specific model that handles high contrast cinematic lighting and mythological details the best. Select the aspect ratio for your project. Choose 9:16 for vertical shorts or 16:9 for horizontal YouTube videos. Click the Generate button. While that first image is rendering, go back to the prompt field and clear it out. Go back to your GPT tab and copy the second prompt. Paste it back into Google Flow and hit Generate again. Repeat this exact process for all 6 beats until you have a full set of cinematic images. Once they are all finished, click the Download button on each one to save them to your computer. Now stay inside Google Flow, but click on the Animate Image section. Upload your first image, which is shot 1. Look for the model selector again and choose VEO 3.1 Fast. In the Motion prompt field, type a short description of the camera movement, like slow cinematic push-in or dramatic low-angle tilt-up. Click Generate and let the AI animate the scene. When that clip is ready, download it to your folder. Remove the first image and upload your second image. Type your next motion like camera pan to the right. Hit Generate again. Do this for every single one of your 6 images, so you have 6 unique video clips. One more thing before we move on, which is downloading the reference image. The link is in the description. Every time you generate an image in the previous step, you should upload this reference image alongside your prompt. This ensures the character and the lighting stay consistent across every single clip, so your hero doesn't change looks halfway through the trailer. Now your video needs the right soundtrack to feel epic. Go to CapCut. In the music search bar, type Cinematic Orchestral or Dark Hybrid Trailer. Browse the results and pick a track that has a big build-up and a dramatic finish. Download that track. Now go to Sound Effects for your secondary audio. Search for cinematic impact or deep drum sounds. Also look for ambient wind or ocean waves to match the environment. Download 3 or 4 of these sounds. These small details make a massive difference in the final quality. For the narration, go to 11 Labs. Paste the voiceover script that the GPT wrote for you into the text field. Browse the voice library and look for a voice that sounds deep and gravelly. Look for something labeled narrative or cinematic. Click Generate and then download the high-quality audio file. Now open CapCut to finish the edit. Import all 6 of your video clips along with your music track and your voiceover file. Drag your video clips onto the timeline in the correct chronological order from origin to aftermath. Lay the voiceover track on top of the clips. Trim the length of your video clips so the visuals change exactly when the narrator finishes a sentence. Drop your music track onto the layer below the voice. Lower the music volume so the narration stays clear and powerful. Now add your sound effects on the transitions or during big visual moments. Trim any dead space at the beginning or end of the video. Your trailer is finished.
In the heart of a kingdom of stone, a boy was born beneath a prison sky. His father gave him wings, not for conquest.
You could upload it manually, but it is better to use a scheduling tool. If you want something simple, go with Metricool to handle your basic posts. If you want the absolute best experience, use Vista Social. Upload your video once and write your title. Then schedule it across YouTube and TikTok and Reels all at the same time from one dashboard. You can schedule an entire month of mythology videos in one afternoon. Everything you need from the prompts is waiting for you in the school community. Link in the description.